Hello traders, welcome back to another episode of S Trades. In this video, we are going to dig deep into candle movement and candle behavior. Okay, as beginner traders normally know what moves the candle and what are the behavior of the candles. Now in this video, I'm going to dive deep into knowing the candle behavior and candle movement. Let's meet after the intro. Welcome back again traders. If you find this video interesting and educative, please show us support by liking and subscribing. Okay, candle behavior and candle movement. In Forex trading, candles tell the story of buyers and sellers. Every candle shows the open price, close price and highest price, and even lowest price. Understanding candle behavior helps traders understand market direction, momentum reversals, and continuation. What is a candle behavior? A candle behavior is how a candle forms and closes during a specific time. Candle can show strength, weakness, and indecision, manipulation, or momentum. Parts of a candle. Number one, how a body. A body shows the distance between opening and closing of the price. Big body shows strong momentum, small body shows weak momentum. Wick or shadow shows rejection of price or price testing. Upper wick rejection from above, lower wick rejection from below. Candle close. The close is very important. Strong close near highs, bullish strength. Strong close near lows, bearish trend. Candle movement. Bullish movement. When buyers push price upwards, signs include strong bullish candle, small upper wicks, and consecutive bullish closes. Bearish movement. When sellers push price downward, signs include strong bearish candles, small lower wicks, and consecutive bearish closes. Sideways movement. When buyers and sellers are balanced, signs include small candle, long wicks, and choppy movement. Importance of candle behaviors. Rejection candles shows price tries to move in one direction but gets rejected. Example include pin bars and long wick candles. Momentum candles, large aggressive candles showing strong buying or selling pressure. Indecision candles, small body with long wicks showing uncertainty in the market. How candle movement helps traders. Candle help traders time entry, confirm reversal, avoid fake breakouts, follow trend and understand market psychology. Beginner tip, do not trade one candle alone. Combine candle behavior with trend analysis, support and resistance, market structure. Okay, before I jump into conclusion on this theory, please make a point of subscribing to this video such that when we post such content, you are among the first one to get notified. Let's look at the conclusion on the theory part. Candle are the language of the market. Understanding candle behavior and movement helps traders read market psychology instead of guessing trades. Now let's look at the example and the live chart example of a candle. Traders, here is the example of candles and candle behavior. As you can see, we have a bullish candlestick, bearish candlestick, doji candlestick, and finally long shadow candlestick, which is called a hammer. Now, as you can see, these are just but example of a candle. Now let's see the live chart example. Here is the euro dollar chart. As you can see, price tries to move upwards and doing correction. Now, as you can see on the euro dollar chart on 1 hour time frame, this is just candle behaviors and candle movement. As you can see, candle behaviors or candle movement are affected by price movement or price fluctuation. As you can see, we came and moved up. This is a bullish movement and this is a bearish movement. We're again having a bullish movement and a bearish movement. Now look at the behavior of the candles. The behavior of candles showing we can see that the price rejected at this point, making a reversal, but again the price also rejected at this point and did a reversal. That is how the candles behavior and candle movement shows. Now in the next topic, we are going to look at simple